Hi friends, come along with me as I finish my 750 piece Buffalo Venice canal. Look at that. And I'm loving this 18 by 24. That's the size of a lot of your 500 piece puzzles. So I'm going to go on Amazon and look and see, can you get a lot of 750 piece? Because I don't mind the size. And look at the room I have. You can see I've got room on either side of the table. Put some pieces, move around this way. I mean, it's fantastic. I love it. And yet, it's a little more challenging than a 500 piece. Ooh. Oh, I can't wait to see what piece that's going to be. So I want to see, and I was going to, oops, can't get that in there. I was going to order one new puzzle a month, ones that I would save and work again, hopefully. Because one, I just can't see the thrift store staying in business. I've mentioned this before. But at the prices they're charging, well, not savers, $8. I need to go there again and see if they're still charging $8 for most of their puzzles. Are you kidding me? This girl is not paying $8 for a used puzzle that may or may not be complete. No, she's not. Somebody else? They might, but not this girl. Before long, they'll be charging as much as they are new. And that's what eBay does now, because with shipping and all, you can't afford them. And I don't know if they're complete. I was going to buy some off of there one time and just see. But now that they've gone so high, you just can't afford it. Okay, well, I got that section. Earlier I was sitting outside. It's 64 out today. I sat out for a little while. I'll be glad when it's just a tad bit warmer. And the nights are getting warmer, but last night I could not get warm for some reason. I was cold. I don't know why I was so cold. No. Oh, it's you. Oh, I would have never. I've been looking for that for ages, but I would have never thought it was that piece. Oh. My goodness. No, I will not. Fooled me again. Okay, let's see. Now I know this is all here because it was brand new. Got it at a thrift store, but still it was brand new, so yay. Oh, it's this one, yeah. Okay, that one's all there. Sometimes it's hard to tell. You have to feel. Wow. All right. Oh gosh, it makes you feel good when you finish, because I did it. Oh, over the, oh, that piece fooled me. I thought that was something else. And another place. Oh, I've been looking to see. Wondered where that was going. And here it is. I did it, friends. Stay tuned for a top-down shot. Thank you so much for coming along on this journey of the Venice Canal Buffalo 750 puzzle. Wow, that's pretty. You know, and it was a little bit challenging. It's just, I wasn't going to save it, but then I think I am. The picture isn't really, I mean, it's pretty, but all this and stuff, I don't know. Yeah, it's nice. It's just not, I guess the picture doesn't, well, I guess it does. I guess it does because I bought the puzzle, but I don't know. So I think, yeah, I'm going to save this and I can work this again sometime. All right, well, stay tuned and see what I get into next. Who knows? I will see you all later. Bye. Woohoo! I did it. Sorry. Stand up. Make sure I get the whole puzzle in there. All right. And there it is. Completed.